Would a drill instructor react if they saw a weak recruit getting bullied or made fun of by other recruits? I spent 3 years as a drill sergeant at Fort Jackson. People think we only care about PT scores and yelling, but our real job is building soldiers and teamwork. When I caught a recruit mocking another for struggling on the obstacle course, I unleashed what we call the 3-phase response. First, I pulled the struggling recruit aside privately. This stops today, I told him. Not because I'm fixing it, but because you will. In combat, if you let people walk over you, it gets people killed. You need to stand up for yourself. That's personal courage, an army value. Next came the bully. I've never seen a grown man so terrified as when I got him alone in the duty office. You think you're tough? Tearing down your battle buddy makes you weak, not strong. One more incident, even a whisper of one, and I'll Article 15 you so fast your head will spin. You'll watch your platoon graduate while you restart at day 1, and I'll personally walk your paperwork to your next drill sergeant. Finally, I smoked the entire platoon. 2 hours of pure physical misery. No one knew who caused it. While they were pushing Georgia into Texas, I explained exactly why this was happening. In combat, you protect each other. If one of you fails, everyone can die. There are no individuals here. That platoon became the tightest group in the company. The struggling recruit eventually maxed his PT test, and the bully became one of his closest friends. Bullying isn't just wrong, it's dangerous in our profession. Would a drill instructor